Welcome back. We're continuing the news. $400,000 will be used to improve road safety across the island. Minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister, Floyd Green, told the House this afternoon that the money was secured through the United Nations Safety Fund.
We will be strengthening road safety management capacities by developing a comprehensive electronic injury surveillance data system. One of the things that we will be doing, Madam Speaker, we will be carrying out a study to observe the attitudes of Jamaicans on the road. We will be also, Madam Speaker, purchasing new breathalyzer equipment. We have $73,000 US for that. We will be purchasing new speed enforcement equipment, $50,000 US for that. And we will be training our officers for the sum of $80,000 US.
In the meantime, the authorities are still reviewing the new road safety law. Minister Green says the National Road Safety Council is reviewing a number of complaints before making a recommendation to Cabinet.
Including people complaining about the section that deals with renewal of licenses of drivers aged 70 and over. People are advocating that we should allow the use of the digital copy of their driver's license, if they have that. People have asked, Member Wilson, people have asked whether the RTA should look at by taxes and how you treat with that matter. People have also advocated for the need to remove the need for the front plate on the motorcycle, and people have spoken about specifications regarding tints.